Hey you guys, so this is going to be a super short video and basically our story is fully done. Okay, we're good to go live. However, there's one more really important thing we need to do, and that is to make sure to activate payments so we're able to accept credit cards, PayPal, and so on. So how we do that is that we click on the settings on the left bottom and we're gonna click on payments. Now, depending on the country that you're from, there's gonna be one recommended at top. It's Shopify Payments. So a few years back, Shopify launched their own payment gateway. So I totally recommend you to go with that one. Also, if you scroll down a little bit, you're gonna see PayPal, and it's gonna say setup incomplete. So setting those things up, it's really simple. I can't do it right now because I'm already using the payment processor and it's, personal information that is needed to enter those, but it's as simple as just clicking the button. So we start by clicking on complete account setup, and, we're gonna have to submit the information about our business. So click on submit details. It's gonna send you to this page, and you just fill out the form. Are you individual, register business, and so on. So there are going to be a total of 4 steps, and once you complete that, your payments are going to be activated and you'll be able to set credit card payments like Visa, Master, and others. Same applies for the PayPal. So if you scroll down and click setup incomplete, you're just going to have to complete it, which basically means logging into the PayPal account with the email address that is connected. Okay, so really simple. If you guys somehow have some issues with connecting those, Shopify has a live chat support, so you can totally reach out and they'll be able to solve the issue within minutes. But honestly, it's just really simple as entering your first name, last name, and it's just like you're creating a Facebook account or something. So thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart, taking the time to watch all of those videos. I really enjoyed recording it, and I was happy that I got an opportunity to share all of those, golden nuggets, as I like to call them. So yeah, thank you so much for your attention, and I wish you best of luck in your Shopify journey. So see you next time.